Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to check your purchasing power on Affirm. The whole process is really quick, and the best part is it won't affect your credit score at all. You can check it directly inside the Affirm app or even while shopping at a partner store. Let's start with the Affirm app. First, log into your Affirm account. On the Home tab, tap Check My Purchasing Power to see your available amount. This shows how much you can spend using Affirm for payment plans right inside the app. And if you're using an Affirm card, you can also find your purchasing power on the Card tab. You can also check your purchasing power while at partner stores. Some retailers let you check it right there in store, but note that this amount applies only to that specific store. Just remember, your purchasing power can differ depending on where you check. The app and the partner store may give you different results, and approval can vary. But don't worry, checking in both places will not harm your credit score. And that's it. That's how you can easily view your purchasing power on Affirm, whether you're using the app or shopping in-store.